The Boy Who Cried Wolf, an Aesop's Fable, retold by Anthony Curran, illustrated by Jeff Ebler. One day, a boy was watching over his sheep. He was very bored. He wanted to play a trick. "Help! Wolf!" cried the boy. The people of the town ran to help. There was no wolf. The boy laughed. The next week, he did it again. "Help! Wolf!" cried the boy. Again, the people of the town ran to help. Again, there was no wolf. Again, the boy laughed. Then, a wolf really did come for the sheep. "Help! Wolf!" cried the boy. No one came to help. The wolf chased all the boy's sheep away. The boy learned a lesson. People don't believe liars, even when they tell the truth.